cheese. Yeah.
I saved the choice bits for you.
Yeah, I know. Thank you. These are good.
Those were both crackers.
Ooh, cash goostins.
Would be cashews.
I should have got you some of this too.
Some jerky.
I should have got in my stocking and filled your stocking.
What you got, bud? You want some jerky? What else is in there?
Ooh. Smoked salmon. You can't have any of this one.
Nope.
Mustards. Never tried it.
What is it? Oh, caviar?
Caviar.
Yeah, I was when not. Are you okay, bud?
It tastes pepper. These are good.
What is it? Oh, olives.
Was this in that basket?
Yeah.
Ooh. Nice. I like these things.
Hold on up so you can see it. They're the gel shots. For backpacking. Don't feel bad. Just
My stocking's better.
What else is in there?
Another gel shot.
Yep. Is that it? And there was candy. Did you see the Skittles?
Yeah. Sweetheart, you had one more gift in your stocking.
I do not. Oh look, I had Skittles in my stocking. Merry Christmas.
Thank you.